Hello and welcome to the English Journeys, the podcast where we travel through English together, one step at a time. My name is Ben, and I'm here to guide you on your English learning adventure. I speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word, and you can repeat after me anytime you want. Before we begin today's journey, if you enjoy learning English this way, please subscribe to our channel. Click that subscribe button right now. It helps us create more content for you, and you'll never miss a new lesson. In today's episode, we're going to explore something really important: how to build your English confidence step by step, day by day. Many learners feel nervous. Many learners feel afraid. They think, my English is not good enough. I make too many mistakes. People will laugh at me. But here's the truth. Everyone who speaks English well today was once a beginner, just like you. Everyone made mistakes. Everyone felt afraid. The difference is simple. They didn't stop. They kept going. They practiced even when it was hard. So today, I want to show you how you can do the same thing, how you can feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident every time you use English. Let's start with an important question. What does confidence really mean? Confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes. Confidence doesn't mean you know every word. Confidence doesn't mean you speak perfectly. Confidence means you are willing to try. You are willing to speak, even if you're not 100% sure. You are willing to make mistakes and learn from them. Think about babies. When babies learn to walk, do they walk perfectly on the first day? No. They fall down many times. They stand up. They try again. They fall. They stand up again. And slowly, step by step, they learn to walk. Learning English is the same. You will make mistakes. That's not a problem. That's how you learn. Now, let me share with you 5 powerful ways to build your English confidence starting right now, today. Strategy number 1. Start with small, simple sentences. Many students try to speak in long, complicated sentences. They want to sound professional. They want to impress people. But when you try to say too much, you get confused, you forget words, and you feel frustrated.
So here's what I want you to do. Start small. Use short, clear sentences. For example, I like coffee. Repeat after me. I'm learning English. Now you repeat. I want to improve. Repeat. These sentences are simple, but they are correct and clear. When you practice simple sentences many times, you build a strong foundation. Later, you can add more details. For now, keep it simple. Simple is powerful. Simple is confident. Strategy number 2. Record yourself speaking English. I know this sounds scary. Many students say, Ben, I don't want to hear my voice. I sound terrible in English. But here's the secret. Listening to yourself is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking. Here's what you do. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, press record, and speak for just 30 seconds. Talk about anything. Your day, your family, your favorite food, what you did yesterday, what you plan to do tomorrow. It doesn't matter what you say. What matters is that you speak. Then, listen to the recording. Don't judge yourself. Don't feel bad. Just listen. Ask yourself these questions. Can I understand what I said? Are there words I pronounced wrong? Did I speak too fast or too slow? Where can I improve? Then record again. Try to improve one small thing. Maybe your pronunciation. Maybe your speed. Maybe the way you connect your words. Do this every day for 1 week, and you will be amazed at your progress. Strategy number 3. Talk to yourself in English every day. Yes, you heard me right. Talk to yourself. You don't need a conversation partner. You don't need a teacher next to you. You can practice English alone, anytime, anywhere. Here's how. When you're at home, describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm drinking water. I'm opening the window. When you're walking outside, describe what you see. I see a red car. There's a big tree. The weather is nice today. When you're thinking about your plans, say them out loud in English. Tomorrow, I will go to work. I need to buy some milk. I want to watch a movie tonight. This is called self-talk, and it's one of the most powerful techniques for building fluency. Why? Because you practice thinking in English, not translating from your language. You practice using English naturally, without pressure, without fear. Strategy number 4. Celebrate small wins every day. Building confidence is not just about studying hard. It's also about recognizing your progress. Every time you speak an English sentence, that's a win. Every time you understand a video, that's a win. Every time you try something new in English, that's a win. Don't wait until you're fluent to feel proud. Be proud of the small steps. Did you learn 5 new words today? Celebrate. Did you speak English for 2 minutes? Celebrate. Did you understand a short conversation? Celebrate.
Write your wins in a notebook. At the end of each week, read what you wrote. You will see how much you're growing, and that will give you more energy, more motivation, and more confidence. Strategy number 5. Surround yourself with English every single day. If you want to feel confident in English, English cannot be something you do only in class. It must become part of your daily life. Let me give you some simple ideas. First, change your phone language to English. You use your phone every day, so why not learn English while you use it? Second, listen to English podcasts or videos. Choose topics you love. If you like cooking, listen to cooking shows in English. If you like sports, watch sports videos in English. This way, learning English becomes fun, not boring. Third, listen to English while you do other things. When you clean your house, play an English podcast. When you exercise, listen to English music. When you cook, watch an English video. You don't need extra time. You just use the time you already have. And here's the beautiful part. When you see English, hear English, and use English every day, it stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling natural. It becomes part of who you are. And when that happens, your confidence grows automatically. Now, let me tell you something very important. Confidence is not something you find. Confidence is something you build. You build it by taking action, by practicing even when you feel nervous, by making mistakes and learning from them, by speaking even when you're not perfect. Every single day you practice English, you are building your confidence, brick by brick, word by word, sentence by sentence. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel hard. But if you keep going, if you don't give up, you will see results. So here's what I want you to do today. Choose one strategy from this episode. Just one. Don't try to do everything at once. Maybe you will record yourself speaking. Maybe you will talk to yourself in English. Maybe you will change your phone to English. Choose one thing and do it today. Then do it again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. Small daily actions create powerful results. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. You don't need to study for hours, you just need to practice a little every day. You are on a journey, and every step counts. I'm Ben, and I'll be here with you on every episode of the English Journeys, helping you speak English with more confidence, more fluency, and more joy. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you on the next journey.